Do you have pain going down the leg? Or maybe you have been diagnosed with sciatica by your doctor or physical therapist. Either way, I'm here today to show you 5 quick stretches that are going to help you improve that pain quickly and easily. So stay tuned. So the first thing that you're going to need is your bed or a massage table to do this exercise. And the number 1 exercise we're going to do is called the nerve glides. You sit at the edge of your table or your bed. You're going to extend the leg with your toe pointed straight to the ceiling as you bring your neck down, your head down this way. What you're doing is you're stretching all the way at the bottom and also along your back. So again, release and then look straight up to the ceiling, chest up, and let's go into it again. Bend the knee, bend your head down. Hold it for a second, look straight up. And when you're trying to do this, I want you to do about 10 repetitions at this speed. After 10, it's actually a good idea to do the other side, not just stay on one side, because why not? Try it out, and then we're gonna go right into the next one. Okay, so the next exercise is going to help you with resetting your sacroiliac joint. So basically your hips. Sometimes for various reasons that thing gets stuck. A visit to the chiropractor wouldn't be a bad idea, but I'm going to teach you how you can reset or realign your sacroiliac joint. So for that, you're going to lie down, follow me, or if you're watching, pay attention closely because I'm not going to repeat. So in this case, I'm going to bring my knees up, and then what I'm going to be doing is pushing this knee up and pushing this knee down. The key is I'm not going to allow the movement to happen. So as I bring my right knee up, I prevent it from moving, and as I push my left knee down, I prevent it from moving. So hold it, and then relax. Same thing on the other side. Now I'm going to be bringing my left knee up, preventing the movement, and my right knee down, not allowing any movement. The key is you're trying to move opposite. So if I were to let go, it would look like that. But I'm preventing that movement. And as you do that, sometimes you hear a little click, sometimes not. Hold it for about 10 seconds every time. All right. And you're going to do this for about 5 times on each side. Got it? All right. All right, the next exercise is going to stretch the piriformis, which is a muscle in the glute area that sometimes it gets a little tight and gives us those painful spots. So the first thing I want you to do is you're going to lie down on your bed or your table. I'll meet you down there. And from here, you're going to cross. In this case, I'm going to cross my left leg, left ankle on top of the right knee. And I should be feeling somewhat of a stretch. If I don't, what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my right leg and pull it slightly towards my chest. At this point, I'm feeling a slight stretch on my left hip, my left glute, and that's what's stretching the piriformis. Now, this is level 2. If you want to increase it a little bit further, level 3 would be to raise that right knee up towards the ceiling and then bring it back down and then releasing. And that's 1 rep. Same thing, you could just keep it here, hold it, and release. Or take it to the next level, point it straight towards my head with my right foot, release the knee, release your hands. One more time, we're going to bring the right leg towards the chest, Extend the right knee and then relax. Okay, so again, you're stretching the piriformis with that exercise. Do 5 to 8 reps on each side and get ready for the next one. Okay, good to have you back. Does it feel any better? No? Well, be patient because it takes consistency. But this next exercise, it will help you with flossing your spine. And that means just creating more space on the nerves running along the spine. And for that, we're gonna do something called the cat camel. So, you can do this on a yoga mat on the floor, your table, or even your bed. You're gonna do hands and knees. And it's 2 positions, number 1 and number 2. So you're arching your spine, you're arching your back one way, where you go like a cat. That's why it's called the cat camel. And the other way, don't ask me which one is the cat or the camel, but that is the movement. So a lot of times when people try to do this at the gym, I remember that there's a lot of elbow bending. So you try to do this or do this. Always make sure that your wrists are below your shoulders and your knees are right below your hips. And then when you start doing it, keep your elbows straight and you're gonna be fine. So we're gonna do about 10 repetitions of this exercise at about that speed that you see me do, so slow. And after that, you're gonna check again and see if that pain feels better. If not, let's get on to the next one. All right. Has anybody asked you why you're doing these weird exercises at home yet? It doesn't matter because you're gonna feel better either way. And the last exercise that we're gonna do is gonna be the pigeon pose. This is especially people that know about yoga, know about this movement, but we're gonna do it right here at the edge of your bed or in your table. Very simply, you're going to try to raise the leg closer to the bed as you bend it and raise it. If you can get this far, that's great. Once you have position, in this case, my left leg down, I'm going to straighten out my spine, and I may feel it right here. If not, I'm going to slightly move forward. Notice how my back stays straight as I move forward, and then move back. As I move forward, I want to exhale. As I move back, I'm gonna inhale, take that deep breath, and every time I'm gonna go just a little bit further, but not making it aggressive or not bending my back and trying to do this. That's not the goal. It's just to feel it on your hip on the outside, sometimes on the inside as well. Now, if you can do this, I'm gonna show you level 2, where your forward leg is bent and the back leg is straight into a full pigeon pose. So in this case, I'm stretching my right leg and I'm stretching my left hip at the same time. I know there's not gonna be any downward dogs or any stuff like that, so relax. And here, we're gonna try to hold this for about 1 minute. 30 seconds to a minute is always a good amount to stretch, after which you're going to rotate or do the other side. Give it a shot and let me know. So, the question is, how many times should you do this? And I recommend doing this at least once a day. Obviously, if you do it twice a day, which would be ideal, then that would give you better results and faster results. So you should see a recovery within 1 or 2 weeks of starting this protocol. If there's no improvement whatsoever, I do recommend going to the doctor, getting an x-ray done, an MRI, and find out what's really happening. And as always, if you want to see more videos like this to help you become the best version of yourself, click the subscribe button so that YouTube shows these videos to more people that actually need it. So with that said, I'm out and I'll see you next. Bye-bye.